Make a great choice today with the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, airbags, front knee. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.